Good morning, children. Today we will do the exercises and question answer of the human robot. Let's start. Tick the correct answers from the options given below. From where did Prem Chopra get the money for buying Ram Singh? From a loot. What was the range within which Ram Singh's movement could be controlled through a remote control? Half a kilometer. You all know the answers because you have already read the lesson. If you have not read the lesson, go through my first video of the human robot. You will get whole lesson there. What was the first command given to Ram Singh? Buying mangoes. What was the first thing that Ram Singh stole? Gold necklace. Who was the first person to notice Ram Singh stealing? A fruit vendor. Where was Prem Chopra arrested? At home. Because remember, he ran away from the market, so he was arrested at home. Now we will answer the following questions. Okay, in brief, you have to answer. First question is, why did Prem Chopra go to Super Robots Plaza? Prem Chopra went to Super Robot Plaza to buy an accomplice that would help him in his work. He was a thief and he wanted to invest his money, loot money, to buy an accomplice, or you can say to buy a robot. Now, second one is, what all could Ram Singh do? Ram Singh can do all the household work, cleaning, arranging and collecting groceries, tending the lawn, mail letters. He can perfectly programmed the favorite channels on TV. He can select news from the newspaper also. Now third one is, what were the three inbuilt principles in Ram Singh's system? We all know that there were three inbuilt principles in Ram Singh's system. What were they? The three inbuilt principles in Ram Singh's system were, the robot will obey his master. Remember that thing. This is the principle which impressed Prem Chopra a lot. Okay, the first one is, the robot will obey his master. Second, the robot will not harm humans. Third, the robot will not take harm to self. To self means अपने आप को भी harm नहीं पहुंचाएगा. Now 4 number. Why was Prem Chopra interested only in the first principle? Prem Chopra was only interested in the first principle because, according to the first principle, robot will obey his master. This is the principle what he wanted to make him do. So he didn't take notice to the others. Now the next one, why was Ram Singh arrested? Why was he summoned to the court? Okay. Two questions are there in this one. Listen it carefully. Ram Singh was arrested because he was stealing precious gems from the Jhaveli brothers. Remember the name. The computerized cameras capable of split-second recording clicked him in the act. Now the second one of this question. He was summoned to the court. Summoned means called. He was summoned to the court so that his memory tape would reveal all the required information. उसको क्यों बुलाया गया? क्योंकि उसके मेमोरी टेप में जो भी रिक्वायर्ड इंफॉर्मेशन दिए हुए हैं वो रिवील किया जा सके, निकाला जा सके. That's why he was summoned. Sixth number is, what happened to Ram Singh in the court? Why? Two questions again. First one, in the court, the reporting mechanism signal suddenly stopped. The system disintegrated. Ram Singh had diffused himself. इंटीग्रेट मतलब मिलाना, डिसइंटीग्रेट मतलब अलग करना. Second is why. This happened because the principals in Ram Singh came into conflict. Conflict matlab duvidha. He could not cause harm to people, neither he can disobey his master. His life was in threat, so this was the reason of his end. This became the reason of his end. Now sixth number, C number, 6 we have done already. C number is, from the story pick out at least 4 extracts which show that Prem Chopra wanted to buy Ram Singh primarily for stealing goods from the shops. Okay, what you have to do, you have to write 4 lines from para 1, para 3, para 9, para 19. I have chosen some line. You can go through your book and you can write if any other lines you will find. Okay, I am telling some lines which I have chosen. Para 1, he would be able to buy an accomplice. Para 3, that is what I want. Para 9, first principle impressed him. First principle impressed him. Fourth number is from para 19. Prem Chopra guided Ram Singh for lifting precious gems. Now the next exercise we will do. What is in this? Some words are given. These are adjectives. You have to write one adjective in the adjective column, and then you have to write this adjective is coming for Ram Singh or Prem Chopra in the chapter, or what is the reason for using this adjective for the particular person. Okay, like if you are writing obedient, then you will write in the middle column Ram Singh. And what is the reason? His first inbuilt principle was that he would obey his master. This is the reason of his being obedient. Second one is greedy. Who was greedy? We all know that Prem Chopra was greedy. Prem Chopra. Reason? He buys a robot for his theft. How we all know that he was greedy? Even for his theft, he buys a robot. That's why. Okay. Now, unscrupulous. Unscrupulous means who don't think about others for his selfishness, and that is of course Prem Chopra. Why? What is the reason? How we would come to know that he was scrupulous? When he saw that Ram Singh was caught, he ran away. उसको छोड़ के भाग जाता है. Okay. Now helpless. Who was helpless? Ram Singh. Why? What is the reason why he became helpless? He could not ignore any of his principle. He was in conflict. Okay. He could not ignore any of his inbuilt principles. That's why he was helpless. Cunning. Who was cunning? Prem Chopra. Okay. Prem Chopra was cunning because very smartly he blamed others for the theft. याद करो लेसन में वो एक जगह एक एक्सट्रैक्ट आता है जिसमें वो क्या बोलता है कि perhaps from Super Robot Plaza someone has tampered in Ram Singh and they controlled Ram Singh for stealing. Okay, that's why Prem Chopra was cunning. Principled. Of course, Ram Singh was principled. Why? What is the reason? कैसे हम लोग जानते हैं कि वो principled है? Because for his inbuilt principle, he had diffused himself in the court. Okay? Now let's do other HOTS, life skills, etc. Now in the HOTS, what is this? Prem Chopra pleaded guilty. Okay? At the end of the chapter. Do you think he did so? क्या सोचते हो उसने ऐसा क्यों किया? वो मतलब गिल्टी कैसे प्रूव हो गया, कैसे मान लेता है वो? Let's listen the answer carefully. Robot Ram Singh tried to follow all the instructions given by his master. He saved him in the court also. But when his principles came into conflict, he sacrificed his life. Prem Chopra now realized his mistake. He thought about Ram Singh, which was just a machine. His emotions aroused suddenly, and at the end, he pleaded guilty. Life skills. We all know that though technology can be very beneficial for us, misusing it can have disastrous consequences. Prepare a speech to be delivered in the morning assembly on how technology can be used for the benefit of mankind. What you have to do here, you have to write one speech on technology can be used for the benefit of mankind. Okay. I am telling a speech just for your sake, but you can write the speech from your own also. Okay. Again, the format of speech like good morning principal sir, good morning principal ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I am going to deliver a speech on the topic how technology can be used for the benefit of mankind. Then you will start by doing paragraph change. In today's world, just everything is more convenient and accessible due to advances in technology. Advances means development. Advances show people a more efficient way to do things and their processes get results. It can be very beneficial if it is used in a right way. Education has been advanced to technology advances as computers help students to learn a lot and get information in all subjects. In agriculture section, workers can now be automated. This is due to advancement in technology, which means more produce and a help to farmers. Medical advancement has made a people live much better life. Technology has improved communication also. The more advanced thing, the more people are depending on it. ये तो होता ही है. ओके. एजुकेशन लाइफ में कंप्यूटर आ गया है, फिर मेडिकल लाइन में जो है बहुत सारे टेक्नोलॉजीज के कारण जो है इलाज में बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट हो गया है. तो टेक्नोलॉजी कम्युनिकेशन को भी इम्प्रूव किया है टेक्नोलॉजी ने. एवरीथिंग it has improved. At the end, I would like to conclude that though technology can be very beneficial for us, it can have disastrous consequences also. It should be used in a right way. Okay, thank you. In this way, you can conclude your speech. Now we will do life skills. Or life skills we have done values. Robot Ram Singh is more human than Prem Chopra. Discuss. Now, why this type of question is given? Because you all know that Prem Chopra is human being and Ram Singh is not a human being, he is a robot. That's why it is written that robot Ram Singh is more human than Prem Chopra. How? Discuss. Okay. Let's do. Prem Chopra purchased Ram Singh for his own benefit. He tried to misuse Ram Singh. Ram Singh, like a faithful servant, followed all the instructions given by his master. He worked according to the three inbuilt principles. Ram Singh tried to save his master, but at the end, he diffused himself. Seeing his work and sacrifice he made, he can say we can say that robot is more human than Prem Chopra, because all the works Ram Singh has done here is human trait. Ram Singh sacrificed his life for his master or for the sake of other people. This is the more human act. Okay. Writing skills. In writing skills, children, you can see that you have to prepare a verdict. Verdict means after hearing both the side, judge give the final decision. That is called verdict. You have to write a verdict which the judge of Prem Chopra and Ram Singh case is giving here. Okay. Now I am going to show you the verdict. You can see here the verdict. Verdict Prem Chopra versus Ram Singh case. First of all, you will give the day and date at the left side. Then you will start writing. Though the robot Ram Singh 070 has not revealed any relevant information regarding the case, yet the disintegration of its system due to its inner conflict has itself solved the case. Okay, this is written by judge. Prem Chopra was its master and its inbuilt principles were not to disobey his master and never to harm others. The robot could not decide what to do and he diffused itself, or himself you can write also. This proved Ram Singh's disobedience towards his own principle. Thus, we conclude that Prem Chopra was involved in all the thefts that have been made with the help of robot. So he is fined rupees 50,000 and 10 years imprisonment. Then the judge will doing signature here. Okay. You can take the screenshot also for writing. Look at this. This is in the first line at the corner, it is written REVEALED, revealed. And then after writing the verdict, judge will put signature here. Okay, no need to write the name, just you can write signature of judge. Hope you all find it helpful, children. Subscribe my channel, like it, share it, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.